This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your tools and assets so nothing blocks creative work. Open After Effects, enable GPU rendering, and create a 1920x1080 composition at 60 FPS for smooth motion. Import your Twitch overlay PNGs, logos, and brand font. Organize them into labeled folders so you can iterate fast. Once done, set render settings to include alpha channel and pick a codec that preserves transparency. Make sure you save a versioned project file. That prevents losing early iterations when you experiment. You now construct the animation that defines your Twitch identity. Start with shape layers and trim paths to make crisp, lightweight reveals. These are CPU-friendly for live transitions. Then create null objects as controllers and parent overlay elements, using simple expressions to connect scale and opacity. This keeps tweaks global and consistent. Pre-compose groups like alerts and chat stingers so you can reuse them across scenes. Once the motion reads well, add a camera for subtle parallax. It gives depth without overwhelming viewers. You finish by exporting and hooking the effects into your Twitch setup. Choose WebM or ProRes 4444 MOV with alpha for transparency. Test the file in OBS Studio as a media source set to restart on replay if needed. Once integrated, map triggers through hotkeys, browser events, or a stream deck so you control timing live. If playback stutters, reduce frame rate, enable hardware decoding, or simplify heavy layer effects. This trades visual complexity for stable streams. One troubleshooting tip:
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.